Hi guys! Today I will show you how to make Hungarian pizza with egg on top. You don't know how to make a good pizza though? You know how to make a pizza but looking for a new topping? In both cases you are at the right video. I tried to make this recipe more healthy by adding whole wheat flour. You can add even more of it, but bear in mind that pizza flour absorbs water better. So if you plan to go with 100% whole wheat, then you will need about 1/4 less water. First of all, heat your water to body temperature. You should feel the water hot, but still bearable when you dip your finger in it. Mix it with yeast and sugar in a bowl. Then just let it rise for 5 minutes. If it rose, then add flour in 2 or 3 portions while mixing it. Don't forget to add salt and olive oil. Massage it for a couple of minutes. Do not add much more flour even if it is sticky, rather add a bit more oil. When finished, just cover it and let it rest for 2 hours. Overnight would even be better. For the sauce, I used a mixture of concentrated tomato and tomato juice. I spiced it with salt, pepper, basil, rosemary, some garlic and some hot sauce. Your sauce should have the consistency of ketchup. If too runny, then reduce it by cooking. If too thick, add some water. Chop finely the rest of the ingredients. I prefer the onions in bigger chunks but still thin. Put your rested dough on a floured surface. You can use semolina instead if you have at home for a more pleasing look. Divide it into 4 pieces and roll out the first. Now transfer your pizza onto your baking tin. This is important, I learned this the hard way. Now lubricate the edge of your pizza with melted butter or olive oil. This will help make the edges more crisp. Cover the rest of the surface with tomato sauce. You should not put any topping into the middle, otherwise the egg will be too runny after baking. Now crack open an egg into the hole in the middle. Don't poke it, add a little bit of salt. Now let the pizza rest for half an hour while you preheat your oven. I have a trick for low quality ovens. You should put another empty baking sheet over the pizza. This will help to bake both sides evenly. Preheat this additional tin with your oven for about half an hour while your pizza rests. Bake your pizza on maximum temperature close to the fire for 8 minutes. 7 minutes will be enough from the second one. Goodbye guys. Like, share, comment if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click the bell. Enjoy your random meals.